Thank you. One more time for our friend, Mr. Zach Mack. We'll open up the show tonight. One more time for the Banana for all the support over the years and continued support. And all fists in the air. Give it up for the Machine Shop. So we're not into goodbyes. We don't say them. We just say until next time. This is the last song of the evening. It truly has been an honor being here tonight. Thank you so much once again for everyone showing up on Tuesday. It's cold as hell outside. Let's put it this way, it's cold for us. It may not be cold for you, but it's cold for us.
Yeah, we're from the South. This shit ain't cool. And we know it's not as cold as it should be up here, but it's still cold. Is that for us?
Nah, seriously?
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Oh, there's more presents. Yeah, what's up? That for me? What?
You want us to open them now or wait?
I'm playing guitar, man.
I gotta put my camera right here.
This is great. So, do you know about this, Brent?
No, I have no idea. I know that this is awesome.
So this is what this says, right? You know why it says this?
Fear the Rue?
Here's why. Because these young ladies in front of you, they say when we're on stage doing the full Shinedown show that I hop around like a kangaroo. So I guess this is me and my baby. Cool. Give it up for kangaroos in general.
Just because kangaroos rock? I don't know.
This song's about kangaroos. I'm ready to rock this kangaroo song.
Once again, like earlier today, you can't rock. You can't rock an acoustic show. I think different. It's been a pleasure.